Hello students, my name is Prasad, physical science teacher. We will continue about fats, an activity we do that test for fat. For this activity, the main aim is to confirm the presence of fat in groundnut seeds. What you need: groundnut seeds, piece of white paper, ceramic mortar. How to do? Take a few groundnut seeds in a ceramic mortar and make a fine paste. Place the paste on the white paper and rub it for few seconds. Leave it for some time. If the white paper turns translucent, then you can say that the groundnut seeds contain fat. What you see? The paper turns translucent. That means groundnut seeds have fat. What you learn? Fat is present in groundnut seeds. Test the below material to find out the presence of fat. Vada or bhaji, fat present. Rice flour, fat absent. Palakova, fat present. Make a list of food items that are rich in fats. Do you know why elders suggest us to take green leafy vegetables regularly? We can learn about for this point. That is, another food component is minerals and vitamins. The primary health center doctors and health workers regularly visit schools. The primary health center doctors and health workers regularly visit schools. They test eyes and observe tongue, nails, skin, etc. to identify health problems. They provide iron tablets for anemic students and spectacles for students with vision problems. What are the reasons for anemia? Why do students get vision problems? To understand that, we have to know about minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins are called protective nutrients because they protect our body and give good health. Some pictures you see the pictures. They are vegetables, leafy vegetables, fruits. Let us know about minerals first. We can do an activity. Observe the following table showing the details of few minerals. Mineral elements, source, importance. Calcium, it is denoted as Ca. Source is milk, curd, green vegetables, fish, etc. The importance is to maintain strong bones and teeth. Another mineral, iron, it is denoted by Fe. Sources is meat, dry fruits, green leaf vegetables, etc. The importance is for blood production and transfer of oxygen. Another mineral element, phosphorus, it is denoted as capital P. The source of phosphorus, milk, curd, cereals, nuts, meat, etc. The importance is to build strong bones and teeth. Another mineral, iodine. It is denoted capital I. The source of iodine, seafoods, iodized salt, etc. The importance of iodine, secretion of thyroid hormone, deficiency causes goiter diseases. Another important mineral is sodium. It is denoted by Na. The source is common salt. Importance of sodium, retain water needed for the body. Answer the following questions basing on the table. To get iodine, which food would you prefer? For iodine, we prefer seafoods, iodized salts, etc. Write the names of food items that are rich in iron. Iron rich in meat, dry fruits, green leafy vegetables, etc. Fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, salads have different minerals that are essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. Are all these minerals included in your diet? What about vitamins? Brahmanandam felt difficulty to see the objects in dim light, so he prefers to avoid night journeys. Do you know what we call such a problem? What do you think may be the reason behind this problem? Do you know that it can be prevented by taking healthy food? This is due to lack of vitamin A. Do you know weekly iron folic acid supplementation WIFS scheme was launched in 2012 to prevent anemia. Under this program, iron tablets, it is pink or blue color tablets, are given to children studying in class 1st to 12th. This service is delivered through school teachers and health workers. These tablets should be consumed after the main meal of the day, otherwise side effects such as nausea may occur. Folic acid is a supplement and needs a food to mix with before entering the bloodstream. What food should be taken to prevent night blindness? To prevent night blindness, vitamin A is required. Vitamins are two basic types. One is fat-soluble vitamins. They are A vitamin, D vitamin, E vitamin, K vitamin. Another one is water-soluble vitamins. They are C vitamin, B complex. See the table. Vitamin, its function, its resources, its deficiency diseases. Vitamin A, its function is health of eye, hair and skin. Resources for vitamin A: carrot, moringa, milk products, liver oil. Deficiency of vitamin A, we get the diseases like dry eyes, night blindness, cornea failure. Another one is vitamin B complex. Its function is utilization of carbohydrates, proteins, formation of RBC, red blood cells. Resources for vitamin B complex is bran of cereals, egg, milk, leafy vegetables. Deficiency of vitamin B complex, we get beriberi, fits, pellagra, scaly, skin, photophobia, loss of memory. Vitamin C, its function is health of skin, teeth, gum and blood cells. Resources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, papaya, moringa, sprouts. Deficiency of vitamin C, we get scurvy diseases. Another vitamin D, its function health of bone and teeth. Resources for vitamin D are sunlight, milk products. Deficiency of vitamin D, we get rickets. Another vitamin E, its functions health of nerves and blood cells. Its resources are fruits, vegetables, sunflower oil. Deficiency of vitamin E, we get fertility disorders. Another vitamin K, it helps in the clotting of blood when we get wounded. The resources of vitamin K are cabbage, leafy vegetables. Deficiency of vitamin K, we get delay in clotting of blood. Basing this table, answer the following questions. What happens due to deficiency of vitamin K? Deficiency of vitamin K, we have delay in clotting of blood. Why are infants exposed to mild sunlight for a short time in the morning? Because they get vitamin D, it gives health of bones and teeth. Why it was advised to take vitamin C in COVID-19 period? Discuss. While taking precautions of COVID-19 pandemic situation, Parveen came to know that vitamin C plays an important role in increasing disease resistance or immunity. She thought that only source of fruits contain vitamin C. Is it true? How do we confirm the presence of vitamin C in the fruits? How can we estimate the quantity of vitamin C in different fruits? Test for vitamin C. Vitamin C is an organic acid called ascorbic acid. You will learn about different acids in the next lesson. By doing a simple test, we can confirm the presence of vitamin C in the food. Okay, we see the activity. Now let us do the simple test for vitamin C confirmation. Aim to confirm the presence of vitamin C in lemon. What you need? Lemon, iodine solution, piece of white paper, knife, dropper. How to do? Slice a citrus fruit. Place 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution on a piece of paper. Keep the cut side of the slice on the paper. Leave it for 15 minutes and observe. If vitamin C is present, the portion of the paper under the slice will get discolored. What you see? The color of paper under the lemon slice discolored. What you learn? Vitamin C is present in lemon. The substances which made the iodine paper more discolored contains more vitamin C. Vitamins and minerals play a key role in preventing the diseases. So, we should include them in our food. We have learnt about macronutrients and micronutrients. Apart from this, the other components also should be present in our diet. Okay, students, you can continue next class. Thank you.